Kundruttur Murugan Temple, located around 25 kilometers from Chennai. This temple can be reached from Pallavaram. Also, this temple can be reached from Punamalli, either side in 8 kilometers distance. Kundruttur Murugan Temple, located 1 kilometers from Kundruttur bus stand. Kundruttur Murugan Temple was built during Second Kulothunga Cholan period around 1200 years ago. This temple was later renovated by Nayakar kings in 17th century. There are 84 steps to reach the hilltop, and there is a 16-pillared rock mandapam located on the foothills. This mandapam was built many centuries ago. We can see many sculptures in the pillars. Uniqueness of this temple is Lord Murugan giving darshan from west side. Generally, Lord Murugan will be facing east side in all temples. This is one of the rare hill temple located inside the Chennai region, since we cannot find many hills in Chennai. In Kundruttur Murugan Temple, Temple Pond Saravana Poigai located behind the foothills of the temple. Once we reach the hilltop, there we can first have darshan of Lord Ganesh in the name of Valansuri Vinayagar. First, we need to worship Lord Ganesh before entering the main Murugan temple. Then we can enter Murugan temple through Rajagopuram. Kundruttur Murugan Temple's Google Map location link available in description. In temple outer corridor, we can have darshan of Navagragas, Lord Dakshinamurti, Devi Durga, and Vinayagar under Stalavriksha Vilva tree. Also, there is big neem and pipal tree located in southeast corner of the temple. We can have darshan of Nagadevas and Kalinganardana Krishnan under this tree. Devotees pray under this tree for child. Tamil Saint Sekizhar, who wrote Periya Puranam, born in Kundrathur. There is also a small temple for Sekizhar near Kundrathur Murugan temple. In the Mahamandapam, we can have darshan of Kashi Vishwanatha along with Kashi Visalakshi and Varasakti Vinayagar. After entering the Ardhamandapam, we can have darshan of Lord Subramanyar along with Valli and Devasena. Uniqueness of this temple is, though Lord Murugan and Valli Devasena present together in Garbhagriha, we cannot able to see all the three together. From left side, we can see Lord Murugan and Valli only. From right side, we can see Lord Murugan and Devasena only. From straight, we can able to see only Lord Murugan. This showcases the talents of the architects who built this temple in ancient times. Ladies and gents restroom facilities available in the hilltop for the convenience of devotees. Also, a small hall is available to tonsure the heads of the devotees who offer hair to the god after fulfilling their prayers. This temple can also be reached by car and two-wheeler. Road facility available in sideways to reach the hilltop. Parking facility available in the hilltop. lamp pillar located in nearby hilltop, where lamp will be lighted during festivals. Mangad Kamakshi Amman temple located 4 kilometers from Kundrathur Murugan temple. There are two ancient temples, Thiruvuraga Perumal temple and Kandajishwara Shiva temple, located on the foothills of Kundrathur Murugan temple. Separate videos available for these temples. Video link and temple location Google Map link available in description.